Hi everyone, it's me April and I'm here in KFC Pakistan. Guess what? I'm here to check their new deals and I'm gonna try it right now. Hi, good evening. Can I order your new deals? The ramen wings, the garlic mayo, the zingarata, and then Kentucky burgers. Now today, I'm gonna try the ramen wings, their new lunch, and come on, let's try it. So right now, I'm gonna try the Kentucky burger, the top of the town. So this is my third food for today, guys. The garlic mayo zingarata. So chicken. So if you're looking for a some food, for me, I could give you the best advice. KFC is the most good quality that they're giving. So in this bowl, we can find thigh, drumstick, wings, chest, and ribs. So what are you waiting for? Let's try.